Now, this is Clark Kent from the Daily Planet in association with the Predatory Lending Network. Now, we're here at WonderCon 2012. I'm here with some cosplayers asking them about the difference between anime conventions and comic book conventions. Now, what do you think of this convention that you're currently at today?
Well, it's a comic book convention. You've got just about every video game and comic book character you could think of here. And
your opinion on it too?
It's amazing, actually. It's quite surprising to see another big con back at Anaheim after, you know, just so long of there not being a big con in Anaheim.
Now, how is they different from anime conventions? I know when I go to anime, it's mostly a lot of Asian influence. What do you think of the difference of the two?
In anime conventions, you get a lot more interaction between different people. You can run up to someone and literally go, let's pose together, and everyone's just really into it. And what I've noticed, at least for the comic book convention, is people don't usually pose from different comics together.
So they stay genre specific?
Yeah. It doesn't lend for crossovers.
That's kind of a bummer. What do you think that's agree with or disagree?
I completely agree. We've also noticed that it's the tendency too with a lot of characters is, especially if you're switching genres, like you'll get crowds of the anime people in one section, crowds of the video game people in one section, crowds of the comic book people in one section, and they don't really cross over when they're costuming. They just kind of sit apart from each other.
Yes, we need more interplanetary harmony. Is that, yeah, because I mean, people from my planet are meeting, you know, I travel quite a bit, so I think we need more fun. What could be done to bring the two genres together?
Basically, it's kind of dependent on the people. If, you know, you can get them in a good enough mood that they don't mind doing whatever, then it works.
And how do you think we could bring the two genres together?
I mean, it's enthusiasm. I mean, part of what makes anime cons the way they are is a lot of the cosplayers like getting together. They like sharing the fact that they're into this and they're into that. And the comic book people have the same drive. I mean, look, the comic book people, the sci-fi fans, look at the 501st. Great example of a group of people that really have the drive to be together. And if you see the 501st, they're happy to pose with everybody. Mostly it's getting people in large groups together with the drive and then getting two or more of those groups together. And I mean, I think a lot of
start a chain of reaction.
Yeah, I hear a lot of Star Wars people say live long and prosper, but I can never get a Star Wars person and a Star Trek person together. You notice that?
It's very rival-like, and I think a lot of it has to do with the base of comic books, where it's that Marvel versus DC thing. It's like, you know, who would win out of this and this?
It's very almost competitive, rather than just everybody enjoying it.
Well, I'm for intergalactic harmony at the Daily Planet. I'd like all species to merge in one great, what would we say, empire or interplanetary council. So in closing, is there any last minute things you'd like to say to the beings throughout the galaxy?
Let's have fun.
Blah, blah. So this is Clark Kent from the Daily Planet in association with the Predatory Lending Network, signing out.